Hello, today is January 24th, 2021, and I just wanted to make a quick video of 5 stocks to watch this week that are all under $5 that, have had, at least three very good months and are showing, a lot of potential for the future for making a lot of, to make a lot of profit. The first one I want to mention is ticker symbol ZOM. It is up over 1,097% in the past 3 months alone. It's currently trading at 97 cents. I had a few shares of it. I sold Friday at 97. I think I sold my shares at 96 cents a share. I bought in, I think, at 94. Something like that. Didn't make a whole lot, but my big thing is just to keep on making gains. Small gains add up. But anyways, I expect that stock to reach its previous high of $1.20 sometime this week. ZOM has been on my watch list, for probably the last 2 or 3 months, and I've just watched this thing continue to go up higher and higher, and it's also a very heavily traded stock. It's very popular. It's probably one of the more popular penny stocks out. Probably because of the success it's had. Any stock that's up over 1,000% is going to get a lot of attention. The second stock to watch that's under $5, ticker symbol OCGN, is another very promising stock. It's up over 585% in the past 3 months. It had one of the largest one-day percentage gains of 2020. Right there on Christmas Eve, that stock, it surged up in price. It made me personally a lot of profit, and I'm sure it made a lot of people rich. And it's definitely a stock that I'm gonna keep an eye on, in the coming weeks. And it definitely deserves a place on your watch list. Number 3, ticker symbol IDEX. It's another company that's quietly been making gains in the past 3 months. Idenomics is up over 297% in the past 3 months alone. And I personally, I like seeing results. It's not a stock that I've paid a whole lot of attention to, but the fact that it's up 297% speaks for itself. The next one, ticker symbol OGI. If you're into pot stocks, this is a stock to watch. It has a lot of room to grow. It's a good stock to have on your watch list. It's up 38% in the past 3 months alone, and it's once again it's very popular. It's a very heavily traded stocks. It's one of the more popular pot stocks out. So it's something, and it's under $5. So if you want something in that area, I believe it has some potential to make you quick money, either swing trading or just investing. The number 5 stock is ticker symbol CHNR, China Natural Resources. This stock right here has been one of my favorite stocks for a long time. I've day traded it personally, for over a year. Mainly because it's predictable. Generally, if it's having a red day, then if it's going to continue to fall. If it's having a good day and it's green, it's going to continue to rise in price. It's a simple, predictable predictable patterns. You know, it doesn't change directions on you. So, you know, if you're a beginner or something, it's a stock I'd look into. But it's a pump and dump. So, you know, like I said, you know, I believe that it's a stock that you definitely need to have a stop loss in place, because they've been offering more shares, you know, trying to raise money. After the stock jumped to over 50% in price in one day, you know, they went ahead and offered some more shares out there, and now the price is back down to around $1.79. But it's up over 29.5% in the past 3 months, and it was up 16% this past month alone. And mainly, I think it's because of their vice president, Mr. Zhao Yu, who I hope I'm pronouncing that correct. You know, he is personally, you know, ever since he's you know, stepped in, the stock has seen an upswing in price. And you know, personally, any day that I see that stock green, you know, I don't watch it in pre-market, but if it's green, say in you know, during normal trading hours, and it starts to go up, I'll buy some shares just because, you know, of its potential, and I know that it can rise, and you can gain 10 or 15% very quickly. I think I made 15% 2 weeks ago off of China Natural Resources when they had their new vice president announced. So Mr. Zhao Yu has been very good for this company. Also, you know, my final stock on the watch list to watch this week is AMC. You know, this stock right here is, you know, a stock that, you know, I'll definitely be watching tomorrow on my personal watch list, just because with all the others that I watch, like GameStop, Blink, Plug, and Tesla. I made a pretty good profit off of GameStop on Friday, but that's another video. But AMC's is also under $5. It's heavily traded. I think it had over 385 million shares traded just on Friday alone. AMC was up 17% on Friday, and another 2% after hours. You know, AMC Entertainment, I think it was up 22% in the past 3 months. So, you know, if you want to swing trade a stock, that's a good stock to watch. You know, it's cheap. You know, you can probably get a good idea of just when you want to buy in. If it falls back below $3, I'm definitely going to buy in. And if it has a green day, I mean, if the price is up and it's one of the percentage gainers tomorrow morning, then I'll definitely buy some shares that way too. It's definitely a stock that I want to, that I personally plan on making some nice profits with this week. I hope these I hope these stocks, these little penny stocks will help you out in day trading or swing trading. Like I said, China Natural Resources is good for both. So is AMC. And ticker symbol ZOM is probably number one to watch just because of its past performance. And I believe that it's got a very bright future. I'm sure that it's going to be going over $1. So that right there, is an easy 5 or 10% you can make this week alone. But I hope everyone has a very profitable week this coming week. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you're new to investing, please hit, I'll have a referral link to where you can get a free stock from Webull or Doe. They'll give you a stock probably worth $10 to $15, maybe more. All you have to do is sign up. All right, thank you all for watching my video, and have a great week.